Hey there, today we're going to show you an easy way to send recurring Bitcoin invoices and automate payments for your freelancing business. If you're new to Blockonomics, welcome aboard. We're a privacy-first crypto payment solution. We've got all the tools you need, and our support team is here for you 24/7. Now let's dive into the tutorial. First, let's get the setup ready. We've linked the setup tutorial in the description below. It takes less than 5 minutes to complete. Go ahead and get that set up. Head over to your Invoice Ninja dashboard, and from the left menu choose Recurring Invoices. Then click New Recurring Invoice. Add your client, and if they are not there yet, you can create a new one. Next, set the frequency, which decides how often the invoice is sent. Then choose the start date. This is when the first invoice goes out. Select Remaining Cycles, which is how many times the invoice runs. Next, add the due date. This sets when each recurring invoice is due based on the day it is sent. For example, if you pick day 2 on a monthly invoice, it will be due on the second day of the following month. Next, add the invoice number and PO number. If you use them, you can also put in a discount either as a percentage or a flat amount. Now let's set up Auto Bill Enabled. When Auto Bill is set to Enabled, it means that the recurring invoice will always be auto-billed. Next, let's add the product or tasks. If you want, you can customize the footer and other information. For now, let's go ahead and save it. Click Schedule to see when invoices will be sent and when they are due. Now let us go ahead and send it. Once you do that, the automation is on and recurring invoices will go out automatically. Your client will receive an email, and when they click View Invoice, they will land on the client portal, where they can manage all invoices and more from you. Once they fill in the required details, they will see your Bitcoin address and the amount along with a QR code. To see how this works, let us do a test transaction. Log into your Blockonomics dashboard and head to the log or test bench. Choose your store, then copy over the address and amount. Set the payment status to confirmed and send it. There you go, that went through. Now jump back to the invoice, and you will see the payment marked as pending. Go back to the logs and open the latest entry, and you will see the payment went through. Then come back to the invoice page, refresh it, and you will see the status change to completed. Clients can click Recurring Invoices in the client portal to see upcoming invoices, remaining cycles, and more. It really is that simple to send recurring Bitcoin invoices with Blockonomics. Thanks for watching.